welcome back to another video. Today I am on another adventure in Santa Maria la Ribera. Este museo se llama Museo Universitario del Chopo. Neighborhood once had train tracks running through it. It's not too far from El Centro, and this community was where the rich and wealthy would get out of the city and come to, and this was the area where that established wealthy community was in Colonia Coectima. Look at this beautiful house. Also in this neighborhood we have small apartments that they started building and developing, and there was a period in time when they say the not so wealthy started moving in and the wealthy people started moving out, and that leaves some of the buildings dilapidated and old. But then people started returning back to the neighborhood. The ladies selling their vintage item pieces. This area is like a laneway, but it's not, but it was developed for people with low income. But I love walking through here. It's beautiful. In this neighborhood, it's, for me, I consider it as the up and coming Roma or Norte, because now it's hot for restaurants and food. And on Sundays the park would have a lot of things going on. Right now there's just a small fair, and it's usually crowded, and it's not that crowded, which is quite surprising to see. Here we have a little fair going on, not a lot of people, which is kind of strange because we're all social creatures, and this used to be crowded whenever anything is going on. A beautiful landmark. So the history behind the Santa Maria la Ribera kiosk is that it was in New Orleans before, then it was transported to Mexico City. It was downtown, a lot of people would go here when it was downtown and take pictures. And then when we had the new president, well, Mexico had a new president, Porfirio Diaz, he wanted to do something else, something different. And so the people of Santa Maria la Ribera dice, put it here, and it has been here ever since. It's beautiful. It's a very beautiful structure, and it has a lot of history and a lot of detail on it. So I'm gonna take you around this structure. Walk with me, guys, walk with me, and I'm gonna take you inside as well. The details of it all. So we just did a 360 of this structure, and now we are about to get inside so you can see the beautiful details. They just imagine they pull this building apart, transport it from New Orleans, bring it to Mexico City, then pull it apart again after reconstructing it, and then pull it apart again, and this is where it has been calling home for more than 100 years. Just imagine the beauty. Just imagine the beauty of it. And that's me, added beauty, eh? So this is the landmark in Santa Maria la Ribera. I'm gonna take you over to the museum. It's not open today, but I'm gonna take you there. Let's go. There's always food. Food is always a good idea, and we are at a restaurant called Oaxacaquí, and I know what I want to have. I love tongue, and I'm gonna have that with clayuda. Do you know what you're gonna have? Yes, yes.
That's perfect.
What, clayuda? No.
You're having different colors, right? You're having different colors.
I see. So este es clayuda, es enchilada de mole.
That's what I think.
This is like a pizza. is lengua, so I ordered this as well. This we're gonna share, the Mexican pizza, and it comes with tortilla and a full table. Very, very suave. It's very soft. It's very delicate how it's cooked. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So it comes with tortilla and the chocolate and the pork. I cannot get over it. It's so good. Thank you for joining today's adventure, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay positive, think on possibilities. Remember to like, share, leave a comment below, and tell me